Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing something super fun. So I have my silicone molds, and as you can see, I have a bunch of these little twiggy branches. I've had someone requesting for me to do this for quite some time now, and then when we were out walking the other day, I found this gorgeous branch laying on the ground. So I have broken off a bunch of the pieces, and we are going to be putting them in resin and making little coasters. As you can see, I've already got my gloves on. I've got my fan going, got my door open because we are working with resin today. I'm going to speed the video up while I measure and mix all of my resin, and then we will be back. And that is exactly what we're looking for, where it's clear when we lift it up and we look through it. I'm hoping you guys can see this in the video. I think you can. All right, now we're going to set this aside. I made a whole bunch, and I'm hoping not to use it all because I've got another video that I'm working on after this one that I need some for, and I was hoping not to have to stir too many times. All right, so I've got both of my molds. But I don't plan on using all 6. I'm just going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to start out by laying our twigs in here just randomly, but like down so they're not sticking out everywhere. And we will see kind of what happens. I'm not sure exactly because this is my first time. Just going to be like sticks. This is my first time doing anything with the sticks before. Let's face this one this way. And we'll do something like this. Okay, hold on. You're not facing the direction I want you to face. Oop, I broke it. But at least now it's laying down in the direction that I wanted. All right, I'm gonna try and get a little piece over here. Fill this up. Move these all around in here. I kind of like it more of like a haphazard kind of Mod Podge of sticks. Okay, and then I need a piece for right here. Oh, did you hear some ceramic there? I wonder what that could be that I'm playing with today. That's just, I think, just out of view. I don't think it's actually in the view. That one's too long, so we're gonna break a little piece off. Oop, 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 oop. Sticks. This one. And then here. I like that. Try to make like a little forest. Maybe a little forest. Oh my gosh, I sound like Bob Ross. Okay, not that that's a bad thing because we love Bob Ross. My kids' calendar this year is Bob Ross pictures because we love watching Bob Ross. All right, get that down in there. Little piece over here. I keep making that same noise. That must be my concentrating noise, or my I can't seem to concentrate noise, or maybe she's talking too much. That might be what it is. All right, wait, one more in here. Yee. Okay, so I am going to take the stick out and put it over here. And now I'm just going to pour over the twigs, and I just want to put, oh, they're all moving around. I just want to put enough in so that they're covered. And if I need to come back later and put a little bit more on top, I can. I've had to do that. I did that with my my beach scenes. I didn't do a video of those. I plan on doing some more, but with smaller shells, because I had to fill these all the way up. Those things are like almost an inch thick, my little beach scenes. So those are super cute. They're on, I think they're on my Etsy site. Oh, I actually really like the way this is coming out. I kind of wish I had some little fake flowers to put in here or something. All right. We got a little bit sticking up here, but honestly, I don't want it to be too thick. So I might just, if I have to mix more, I'll mix more. Also, I think that the sticks are kind of floating, so there's that. Who would have thought sticks floating? Okay, and in a minute I'm going to pull my torch out and I'm going to pop bubbles because there's a lot of bubbles in here. I bet coming off of the little branches. I don't think I'm going to get them to all lay down in there, so I may have to let them seal and then come back and add a little bit more because they won't be able to move once it's sealed. Oop, and we are just about out. Trying to cover that. Okay, well, there those are. Let me get my torch and we will pop some bubbles and hopefully not catch any branches on fire. That's a joke. That's a joke. They're too far coated, I think, to have any issues with that. All right, and I'm gonna let these sit for a minute so any more bubbles can come up to the top. And then if I have to do another layer, I will record that and then I will show you guys what it looks like when it's 100% finished. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, we are here with our stick coasters. They are done. I had to add an extra layer and there are some bubbles in a few of them. But my friend that asked me to make these, I don't think she's gonna mind. So we're gonna pop them out of the molds and see what they look like. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Pull, pull. So there's one. This is gonna be, I get my fingerprints on it already. This is gonna be the side, the top of the coaster. They're actually super thick. Thicker than I thought they would be. But they came out, I actually really like that. I was worried that I hadn't put enough sticks, but I think it's actually going to look pretty perfect. Oh, pull. Here's another one. I like this one. I got more, I think this one and this one, I got more on the outside, and I kind of like that way that looks. And of course, if you guys are going to do something like this, feel free to put more sticks in. Put less sticks in if you wanted just like one that had like a couple branches or something on it. That might look really cool too. And you can also, if you don't want it to be just completely clear, you can always put some kind of like an alcohol ink in there, tint the color. It might have been cool with like some green or something like that on it. These are going to go over here, and I'm going to just do a little bit of a, so you can see this one. I think like if I had had some more sticks like on the outside, but I think this one they kind of pulled to the middle, and I know you can't really see them on my desk because they're the same color. So I'm going to do this real quick just to show you guys how it came out. So you can see the bubbles on some of them, but I think that just makes it look kind of like a lake or a little pond or something. All right, so there's those popped out of our mold. I hope you guys liked this video, although I don't think it's really long. I don't remember how much it was, the first part of the video, how long it was that I shot it. Shouldn't be too horribly long, and a fun little craft activity, especially if you're into like outdoors, woodsy stuff, because I think she's using these for her deck. Not 100%, but I think so. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using these again in a video probably later today, because I've had a lot of people asking questions about my very first video that I posted, that I used the mold and I put the alcohol ink in it. People are having trouble, so I'm going to do another video and hopefully answer some of the questions that people have been asking. So if that's you, check back in the next couple of days after I post this video, and hopefully that video will be done and posted, and maybe I can answer some of your questions and help you figure out what's going on. We'll see you guys in the next video.